Ow! Ow! My eye. Hello guys, and for today's video we're going to eat balut. It's made from the native chickens. We have lots of chickens here. You see we have lots of chickens. You will see lots of chicken there. There's one rooster there. And yeah. The chickens right now, I'm sorry. The chickens right now are gone. They're wandering around finding some food, but they left me with this. I stole its eggs. The eggs. Yeah, I stole the chicken's eggs and cook it and make it as balloons. See? Look. It's almost forming into features, but it's not. So yeah, we're gonna be surprised with these 6 ones. I already ate one to try. This is the second one. So let's try. We have this Hennessy. Yeah, we Filipinos love to recycle bottles, you know, put some spices inside and some vinegar to make it spicy and make it tasty. Yeah, this is the seasoned one vinegar, which is really spicy. My mouth is mouth watering. Ow! Ow! My eye. Oh, it's spicy. Oh my god. See my eye is stirring up. You know, the vinegar squirted to my little squirt to my face. So see this? It's really spicy, the Hennessy. I'm getting pale because of the vinegar. Let's see. Look. Well, let's just. Oh. Yummy. I'm just gonna put the shell here. It's really yummy. Like I can go that way. Eating. Yeah, that one's perfect. You guys can see me. See that? There are just 6 eggs left. This is the second try. Delicious. This is just yolk. This is just yolk. The native chicken is so good. Oh my god. This is perfect because there's no features actually. It's just yolk. My god, my salt is it's close. Put a little bit of salt. Yeah. So good. Oh, I put a lot of vinegar. Jesus Christ. This is better than the balut vendors. This one is really fresh from the farm, from the chicken. The mother hen, I don't know where the mother hen is. She left her eggs there, so we cannot continue the fertilizing of eggs because she left this underwater. So we cannot, once the egg is wet from the water, then you cannot continue the fertilizing. Delicious. There's hard white there. I don't know what you call that one. We call it here gahi. So yeah, I only eat the yolk. A bit of vinegar. Jesus Christ. So good. I cannot eat this one because it's hard. It's gonna mess up my stomach. Usually I eat this, but not right now. It's hard. So let's try which one. Tinka. This cute one. Whoa! That's how you open the duck. Oh, it's not. It's still egg. Look. Still yellow. See? Still yellow. Let me smell it. Doesn't smell bad. Means it's a good egg. This is, we call this Pinoy, the mixed yolk. The white and the yolk is mixed already, so it's like Pinoy. It's not balut anymore. Call it Pinoy. See? Wow. That's completely egg. Just egg. Then ikaw na mama ani? Mukha sa mama ani? Ah! Lame. Lame in English is yummy. Taste it. Oh my god. And some power. This is so good. 10 out of 10. This is better than balut. Ah. I'm gonna hurt my kidney, but this is only once in a blue moon. Ah, once in a blue moon. That was good. Ah, perfect. Some water. There's no water. Right now, there's no water. We ran out of water. Jesus Christ. So now it's gonna pick. Ah, that was the third one. This is. Let's try this one. We cannot determine which one, so let's try it. Oh my god, I'm excited. What is this? Oh no, there's something. There's something. Oh, you see it? Smells good. It's really balut. Now that's actually balut. See? You see the water? There's the water. Hoy, hoy, hoy. Hoy. You see the water? Ah! It's leaking. I don't want to spill it up. Tasty. This must be the older sibling of the chickens. Whoa. There's no fetus yet. Jesus Christ. So lucky today. No, wow. That's a really wow. Wow. Shut up, chickens. They're talking to each other like, somebody ate your... Maybe the hen is back. And the roosters are telling the chicken that the eggs are stolen. Too late now, chickens. Too late. Oh, this is chicken. Look, this is chicken. Underneath is chicken. I don't want to eat it. See the water? So there's chicken already. You see the feathers? There. Oh, now that's chicken. Now that's fully formed chicken. Almost. No, I don't want to eat that. No, I saw it. I see it already. So, I'll just eat the yellow. I'll just eat the yellow one, and I'll put some, you know. I don't want to see some there. Bigger chickens is a no for me. See, there's bones. Already, there's bone already. I have a visitor. I can taste it too. I can taste the chicken. Oh. I'm getting pale. You know? Spicy. Just enough taste. There's 4 left. We already ate 4. It's a lot. I'm getting full because of this. I'm sorry, chickens. Let's try another one. I think this is not balut. This is balut. We'll see. Oh, it's balut. It's gotta be balut. That's full balut. Oh my god, that's full balut. See the hair? Oh my god. That's completely chicken. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Somebody cook you. Oh no, that's a black chicken. Oh no. Oh my god. See that? That's a fully, oh my god, mess. Oh, there's still yellow. See the chicken, see the nails? I don't want to eat that. Wow. The head. Oh my god, this is the stomach. Oh no, poor chicken. I'm not gonna eat this. Smells good though. But yeah, you can see the hair. That's the face. See that? Pass. Let's try this. Let's try. Oh, I can see the dark. The chickens are like, oh my god, she's eating the egg. Yeah, you can see the hair too. Here. You can see it? You can see the hair too. On this side. The hair. It's already fully formed chicken. I don't think I'm gonna eat this.
What are you doing? Lady, what is that? Oh no! What is that? No!
Eat or no?
That's from your mother!
It's already there. Oh yeah, there's chicken in there. There's chicken in there. Oh my god. Oh no. Gotta be a good one. And I passed out one because that's already chicken. Sorry. Ah, I'm done. We cannot eat this one. There's fully formed chicken. I'm done. So much vinegar today. It was a lot. It wasn't a lot though. It's like 6 eggs. 7, 8. We cannot finish everything. I'm so full. So yeah, that's all for today. And I feel like I want to eat more, but I'm stopping myself because I don't want too much vinegar in my body, in my stomach. It will kill me. Okay? So next time, see you next time. Let's eat balut in the street. This is the native chicken egg. Duck egg here. It's not duck, it's chicken, native chicken. Okay. So guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye, Philippines. Bye, Philippines. I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye. Mwah.